Hey y'all back with Adrian Says. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. So yeah. Y'all, I got this Fousey. I think it's called Fousey hair. I got it from Amazon. But it's a company. So we gonna open it and then yeah. And if y'all haven't already, click that red button for me so we could get more hair videos in because I'm trying. So let's open it. So I got pretty much good reviews on it, so we're just gonna see. Comes with the guide. Guess it's heat friendly. So I got this in the color 27. It's like a blonde, goldish, you know. And I thought it'd be cute for the summertime. So y'all, it already comes plucked, but I'll probably do some plucking afterwards. So it's pretty lightweight too. So I'm gonna hook it up and then I'm gonna come back to y'all. So y'all, this is how it came. This is how I put it on. Look at the hairline. Yes, it's so soft. Oh my gosh. Let me get to work on this. Right now. Oh yeah, I went to sleep after I made the first part of this video, but yeah, I'm gonna work on this right now because okay y'all, so I'm gonna be so honest. The pros about this hair, it's daring, you know, it's cute, it's really a cute style. I love the color. It's bold, it's daring, like I said. You dress it up, dress it down. It's versatile. I feel like I look like a black Kelly Kapowski because it's so thick. Ow. See? So the other colors they had were like blonde, like platinum blonde, and I think it was a red, but it was sold out. And then they had black, jet black. But I chose this one because I thought it was, oh, that's cute. And you know how you go back to like track your package, and I saw the picture again. I was like, it's not gonna look right on me. Like the color, because it was on like a brown skin girl, like darker than me a little bit. I was like, it's not gonna look right on me. But I'm glad I took the chance. This is like when you're not trying to do nothing with your hair. This is that type of hair. Cons of this hair: if you don't like to do much work with a wig, like I don't, like I hate doing too much work with it. Like I like to get the wigs that, you know, you just pluck a little bit and then go about your day. If you really like to work on wigs and hair and all that stuff, like if you really like challenges, this hair is for you. See, I haven't even made like a part. The part it came with, it's just not, I can't do nothing with it. Personally, I can't do anything with it. Let's see. At first, it didn't tangle a lot or shed, but now it does. I don't know why, but it tangles so much because it's so thick, and it's like, it's hard not to get mad at this hair out. It's hard not to get mad at this hair. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, you just gotta put it up in a ponytail when you like really active during the day. But it's cute if you wanna, you know, do something different. I feel like I want to try more Fousey. I think I'm saying it right. Fousey hair, to see if it's just them period or, you know. But I will look into that more. That's it. Sheds, tangles, thick, but manageable a little bit. But yeah, like, comment, hug that red button for me for more hair review videos, whatever. Let me know in the comments below. Bye y'all. Bye.
I can tell from your vibe that you digging me. See it in your eyes that